Imagine an aircraft so advanced that enemy radar can barely see it. A bomber that costs more than $2 billion per plane. A machine capable of flying halfway around the world, striking a target with surgical precision, and returning home without landing. This is the Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit, often called the ghost in the sky. Why did the United States build something this expensive, this secretive, and this futuristic? To answer that, we need to go back to the darkest years of the Cold War. It's the late 1970s. The world is divided between two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union. Both have thousands of nuclear weapons, and both know one terrifying truth. If war starts, it could end civilization. America's strategy relied heavily on bombers like the Boeing B-52 Stratofortress. Powerful? Yes, but invisible? Not even close. By the 1970s, Soviet radar and missile systems had become deadly accurate. Aircraft entering Soviet airspace would likely be shot down before reaching their targets. That meant America needed something radically different. Not faster, not bigger, invisible. The answer came from an unusual idea. What if an airplane could avoid radar entirely? This wasn't science fiction. It became the foundation of stealth technology, the science of making aircraft nearly undetectable. Engineers at Lockheed Martin first proved it with the Lockheed F-117 Nighthawk. But America wanted something bigger. A stealth aircraft that could carry massive payloads over intercontinental distances. That challenge went to Northrop Grumman, and their answer looked strange. No tail, no obvious fuselage, just a giant flying wing. The design was inspired by experiments dating back to the 1940s, but now powered by cutting-edge computers. That aircraft became the B-2 Spirit. Let's talk about the B-2's shape. It looks like something from an alien movie, but every curve has a purpose. Its flying wing design helps scatter radar waves, making it nearly invisible on radar. Engines are buried deep inside to reduce heat signatures. Even its coating is special radar-absorbing material. On radar, it can look as small as a bird. A 52-meter bomber appearing like a pigeon that's stealth engineering at its peak. The B-2 program was one of the most secretive military projects ever. Developed in the early 1980s, almost nobody knew what it looked like for years. When revealed in 1988, it shocked the world. It looked futuristic and unreal. It entered service in 1997, but by then, the Soviet Union had collapsed and the Cold War ended. The aircraft built for a global conflict suddenly faced a very different world. The B-2 saw combat in the Kosovo War in 1999. It flew directly from Whiteman Air Force Base, struck targets in Serbia, and returned without stopping over 30 hours of non-stop flight. No forward bases, no landing. Just global reach from one aircraft. Later, it was used in Afghanistan, Iraq, and other operations. Its message was clear. Distance is no longer a defense. Why does a B-2 cost around $2 billion? Because it's a stealth flying system, not just a plane. Its special coating is expensive to maintain. Its tech is highly advanced, and only 21 were built. It's rare, complex, and built for unmatched global strike capability. Today, the B-2 is being replaced by the B-21 Raider, a newer stealth bomber. But the B-2 changed warfare forever. It proved stealth aircraft were real and effective, not theory. It forced countries like China and Russia to rethink air defense entirely. Its true power wasn't weapons, it was uncertainty. If you can't see it, you can't stop it. That changed modern military strategy forever. The B-2 wasn't just built to drop bombs. It was built to send a message. Anywhere on Earth can be reached at any moment without warning. It represents stealth, engineering dominance, and strategic power. Few machines in history have changed warfare this much. And maybe the real question is if something like this exists. What comes next? Subscribe for more videos.